at the employee's written request to take leave during a period of unpaid leave. Number 7, an employer may reduce an employee's entitlement to annual leave by the number of days of occasional leave on full remuneration granted to the employee at the employee's request in that leave cycle. An employer must grant an employee an additional day of paid leave if a public holiday falls on a day during an employee's annual leave on which the employee would ordinarily have worked. Number 9, an employer may not require or permit an employee to work for the employer during any period of annual leave. Number 10, annual leave must be taken in accordance with an agreement between the employer and employee. Or B, if there is no agreement in terms of paragraph A at the time determined by the employer in accordance with the section.